commercial? Jacket of Lust commercial.
Yeah, go inside. Yeah, for the camera. YouTube wants to see that. Okay, let's go. Let's go in the bathroom and scream. Women? Women? Men. Okay, ready. Set. Ready. Ready. Scream. 1, 2, 3. Just do Oliver. Oliver. What movie was that from? House Money. I'm in my dark place. Yeah, he's like... You're in your dark place. Listen to the cute little boy. I didn't tell her I did it. Say hi. Hey, don't face it that way. You guys are so cute. Say hi. Hey, Kaipo, look at your little brother. Yo. Say hi. Kaipo, look what you did to your brother! You know, I'm gonna tell Kaipo to watch this video.
Who cares?
I'm gonna tell your uncle too.
He knows I swear.
I'm gonna tell Jarvis, I'm gonna tell Chantel, Chantel.
Swearing's bad.
I'm gonna tell Joby, I'm gonna tell... Oh,
I didn't know, man. Okay, I bet you don't even know Chantel.
Chantel the senior?
Oh, yeah.
Chantel's your cousin, the older one. She's really pretty. Say hi, you're so cute too. Hey, you're the rascal one, yeah?
Yeah?
Ah, the rascal. Say hi, Lena.
Why?
Don't you think the rascal's so cute? So cute. Say hi. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh. Say bye. Say bye. Hey, Pasqua. Say bye. Boo. Okay, bye, Boo.